Here's how to switch Audible membership plans on both your computer and your phone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I want to make self-growth normal because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. Here's how to do it on your computer. Step 1, go to account details under Hi Samuel or whatever your name is, you know your name. Step 2, click on where it says switch membership. Step 3, pick the plan you want and click on select this plan. And step 4 is click confirm. On your smartphone, this is possible to do on the app, but if you signed up for Audible on your computer, you can only do this online. Don't ask me why. I love this app, but I did not create it. Step 1, on the Audible site, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Step 2, tap on good evening, whatever your name is. Step 3 is tap on membership details. Step 4 is tap on see all membership plans. Step 5 is pick the plan you want and tap select this plan. And then step 6 is tap confirm. But that is how you switch Audible membership plans in 2024. If you already have Audible and you want more of an idea of how it works, what it is, credits, memberships, and a general walkthrough of the app, I did an awesome video going over all that, and I'll drop a link to it in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and they're like 10 to 15 minutes each. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.